In today's video, I'm going to teach you all about managing multiple PayPal accounts within the bounds of PayPal's terms of service. Understanding the rules and guidelines. PayPal sets out for account management can be quite crucial, especially if you need to operate both a personal and a business account. So, let's dive right in. First things first. PayPal does allow individuals to have more than one account, but there are specific conditions attached to this privilege. You are permitted to maintain one personal account and one business account. This separation can be really useful if you're an entrepreneur or if you want to distinctly manage personal and business transactions. For instance, the personal account can be used for everyday purchases or sending money to family and friends, while the business account is geared more towards selling goods or services under your business name. However, a key requirement is that each account must have a separate email address. This makes sense, as an email address is essentially your unique identifier for an account. So when setting up these accounts, ensure you have distinct email addresses ready to use. If you're without an extra email, consider creating one on a platform you're comfortable with, like Gmail or Yahoo, before proceeding. Now, it's important to understand that while having these two types of accounts is allowed, they can't share banking details. This means using the same bank account or debit or credit card across these PayPal accounts is typically not permissible. This is a critical detail because sharing financial details could lead to your accounts being flagged. Therefore, try keeping separate financial instruments for your personal and business accounts to avoid any complications. Moving forward, let's talk about the potential risks if you attempt to create additional PayPal accounts using the same information. You might think it's harmless, but PayPal has robust systems in place to detect such activities, and it's something they take quite seriously. If PayPal's system flags your accounts for violating their user agreement or acceptable use policy, you could face significant consequences. This might include having your accounts limited, suspended, or in extreme cases, even permanently closed. It's not just an inconvenience. If an account is restricted, you could lose access to funds tied up in that account, which is a situation no one wants to find themselves in. In conclusion, being well informed about PayPal's guidelines and adhering to them diligently is the key to seamlessly managing your multiple accounts. By doing so, you can enjoy their services while running your personal and professional financial activities with peace of mind. Thanks for watching, and I hope this explanation helps you better understand managing PayPal accounts in accordance with their rules. Be sure to leave any questions you have in the comments below, and I'll try my best to help out.